Hello, in this video I'll be talking to you about the 1 mile jogging test and the 1 mile walking test. The equipment needed for both tests are proper running attire and workout clothes, a 400-meter track, heart monitor which is optional, pencil and paper for recording data, a stopwatch, and a scale. The 1 mile jogging protocol is as follows. To warm up 2 to 3 minutes around the track. The suitable age group is 18 to 29 years old, and the population includes both men and women. After the warm-up, jog 1 mile at a steady pace without stopping. You don't aim to finish as fast as possible because this is not a maximal test, it is a submaximal test. Males should not finish before 8 minutes, nor females before 9 minutes. After finishing up the mile jog, immediately take post-exercise heart rate, placing the index finger and middle finger on either your radial or carotid sites. Take the heart rate and count for 15 seconds, then multiply it by 4 in order to get the total number of beats. Your heart rate should not go above 180 beats per minute. As you can see, this is the warm-up. After you're done with your warm-up, then that is when you start doing the actual test. Really quick after you're done with the test, and that is when you take your heart rate using your index and middle finger, as in here it'll be on the radial site. The 1 mile walking protocol is as follows. Warm up walking for about 5 to 10 minutes. The suitable age group includes 20 to 69-year-olds, population both men and women. It also includes for sedentary and older populations. After warm-up, walk 1 mile as fast as possible without running. It will be timed, and this is also considered a submaximal test, not a maximal test. After the 1 mile walk, take post-exercise heart rate right away, placing your index and middle fingers on either your radial or carotid sides. Count heartbeat for 15 seconds. After that, multiply by 4 to acquire your heart rate. This will be the warm-up for the 1 mile walking test. After the warm-up is completed, you are now ready to do the actual walking test. Again, when you're done doing the test, you immediately take your heart rate, placing your index and middle finger, as in here, will be on the radial side. This is a 1 mile jogging formula in order to calculate VO2 max. You will need body weight in kilograms, the time in minutes, the heart rate in beats per minute, and as for genders, if it's for males, you're going to plug in 1 and 0 for females. In this particular example, the body weight is 72.6 kilograms. The time is 9 minutes with 20 seconds. So you will need to divide the seconds by 60 in order to convert it to decimals, which will be 9.33 minutes. The heart rate is 98 beats per minute and the gender is male, so you plug in 1. After you put in the formula, the resulting VO2 max will be 64.66 milliliters per kilogram per minute. This is a 1 mile walking formula in order to calculate VO2 max. What you will need is the body weight in pounds, the age in years, as in for genders, if it's a male, you'll put 1, if it's a female, you put 0, the time will be in minutes, and the heart rate will be in beats per minute. In this particular example, the body weight is 159 pounds, The age is 22 years old. The gender is male, so you'll put 1. The time it took to complete was 15 minutes with 28 seconds, so you will divide 28 by 60 in order to convert it to decimals, which resulted in 15.47 minutes. And the heart rate was 64 beats per minute. After you plug it in to the formula, the resulting VO2 max is 57.90 milliliters per kilogram per minute.